Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit more pantry cooking for you, which is simply just taking some ingredients that I have lying around in either in my pantry or my refrigerator and bringing together something delicious. And what I'm in the mood for today are something I like to call a lazy way corn dog. What do I mean by that? That means I don't feel like digging out my deep fryer and making up corn dogs in the traditional way. I'm going to be turning these into a cornbread muffin. The ingredients that we're going to need for this are 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix. I've got 6 hot dogs that I've quartered and cubed up into fairly large sized chunks. I've got 2/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, as well as 1 egg. And in this bowl, I've gone ahead and sauteed up the vegetables I'm going to be using for this and allowed them to come to room temperature. The amounts of vegetables I have are 1/2 of a green pepper, 1/2 of a yellow pepper, 1/2 of a red pepper, 1/2 of an orange pepper, 1 whole jalapeno, as well as 3 green onions that I sliced. And I just sauteed these in 2 tablespoons of butter. And now that they're room temperature, we can go ahead and move on to assembling this. And it's really easy. This comes together fairly quickly. The most time-consuming part of this actually is just getting your ingredients chopped up. So all I'm going to do is start by dumping my cornbread mix right on top of my vegetables. And I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese in at this point, and I'm going to go ahead and stir all this together. While I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JP Dad and I have going on our channels. If you would like to be a part of that, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video and then post it to your channel. And once you've done that, you can let either JPIC or I know in the comments section of our latest cooking videos, or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know over there as well. Remember, this is a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends, and YouTube family. Alright, that looks pretty good, so I'm just going to kind of make a well right in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and add my egg in. As well as my 2/3 cup of milk. And I forgot, we're also going to need some muffin tins. I just happened to notice them there. I don't know why I missed those. And I'm just going to start slowly beating the egg into the milk while slowly incorporating in some of my dry ingredients.And now that that's there, I'm going to go ahead and mix them all in thoroughly until the dry ingredients have just been incorporated. I don't want to overmix this too much. And again, this comes together fairly quickly. In fact, that looks pretty good right there. Now all I'm going to do is dump in all of my hot dogs. And I'm going to stir these until they are all well coated. Alright guys, I've got these all stirred in, so I think it is safe to go ahead and start filling in our muffin tins. And I'm going to fill these almost completely full. Yeah, about like that will be good. These aren't going to rise very much, so I want to get these, you know, pretty much close to the top as I can. You could certainly substitute out your hot dog for a vegetarian hot dog if you wish to, and they would still work just as well. Use your favorite kind of hot dog. I'm using a local Dietz & Watson hot dog that we really like. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and continue getting these filled in, and I will bring you back once I'm done. Alright guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to end up with 11 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these over into my oven on 400 degrees and bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. At 20 minutes, I'm going to pull them out and check them to see if they're done. And if not, I'll give them that extra 5. I'll tell you the exact time it took once I get them out of the oven. But for now, I will see you after they're done. Alright guys, our corn dog muffins are out of the oven and they smell so good. I've gone ahead and taken one out of the paper and cut it in half. You can kind of see all the little different bits of hot dog and vegetables that are in there. So let's go in here and give it a bite, see what we think about it. Alright guys, these are so good. Fresh and hot, straight out of the oven. I really wish you were all here to be able to taste them with me. I get a hint of all the different vegetables that I added, a small little back note of heat from the jalapeno, as well as once you get that bite of corn dog and hot dog, you kind of do get that corn dog taste that I was looking for. If you wanted to double this batch, it's very easy. Just increase all the ingredients and add an extra box of Jiffy cornbread mix. These do freeze really well and reheat in a matter of seconds in your microwave. I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little cooking video today. If you did, leave me a comment down below. As always, remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist. I will leave a link down in the description to it. But for now, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.